So I just got off a 66-day law firm turnaround call with one of our VIP clients, and she just said the most profound thing, and I thought it was worthy to share this with you in a vlog this week. So what she said is, it's nice to be appreciated, it's really nice to be liked, but it is profound to be understood. And that really shook me to my core. And her employee really got it for the very first time of what it meant to protect your attorney's time, calendar, and their back. To what it means to, we always hear what it means to step up and lead, or always be 20 steps ahead of me. And when the attorney shared this, we had this fantastic conversation about what it looks like, what it feels like for an attorney to feel understood, and vice versa for the employee to feel understood, or any human being for that matter. But we started unpacking this and say, well, how would you know that you were understood? What's happening when you feel like you're not understood? And what we came up with, when you do not feel understood, regardless of what seat you sit in, the employee or the entrepreneur, is you find yourself feeling like you have to constantly follow up with people and asking them, what's the status on this? Where are we at with that? How are you doing with X, Y, and Z? And a lot of times it lands like lack of trust or lack of confidence or micromanaging. And that couldn't be further from the truth. It really comes down to of not feeling understood in regards to the request, whether it be the timeline, the urgency, and or how to project manage it and put it in a really great method like a Excel spreadsheet or Trello or what have you, and then be able to consistently communicate that I heard you. I know where this lands in your world, in your calendar, in your expectations, etc., and I've got you. So if you are an employee or you have a team member or you are an employer and you find yourself constantly asking where are we at with that, or feeling like people aren't really understanding what it is that you're asking or needing, here are two really simple but profound questions that you can ask. And what we came up with was, number one, what further information do you need that you're not seeing? And we even talked about adding this to the weekly stakeholders meeting agenda for the team to ask that to the entrepreneur, to the leaders, and say, what further information do you need or that you are not seeing in regards to the specific topic or overall globally when we're talking about things falling through the crack? And I would say a second question that we came up with is, what would it look like? What would it act like, behave like, feel like when you are understood? So I understand you want to feel understood and you want to make certain that your wishes and your standards are being carried out and it's implemented tomorrow. What exactly would that look and feel like? And then the third thing that I added here, and I'm just thinking as I'm talking now, is that you can say at the end of it and just kind of do a real quick debrief of, okay, do you feel understood? Do you feel like we understand what it is that you're asking and that you're needing, and that we're able to fully, wholly be able to carry that out for you? And again, this can go from either the attorney side of things or the employee side of things, or as coworkers within your office as well. So we'd love to hear from you all in regards to who wants to take this on and implement it, and give us your comments, your feedback. And as always, please feel free to schedule a complimentary call. I would love to get on the phone with you and hear how it's working and maybe what's not working for you, and see where we can create a breakthrough.